Men, listen up. There are a few things you might be doing to your penis right now that could actually be causing long-term damage, and you don't even realize it. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, we're talking about men's health, specifically what not to do to your penis. These insights come from Dr. Rena Malik, a board-certified urologist who has spent years helping men understand and protect their sexual health. First, let's talk hygiene. Many men think the cleaner, the better. But Dr. Malik warns that using harsh soaps, scrubbing aggressively, or over-cleaning can actually harm you. The skin of the penis is sensitive. Too much cleaning strips away natural oils, causing dryness, irritation, and even infections. The truth is, gentle washing with mild soap and water is all you need. Second, beware of enhancement tricks. Pills, pumps, or devices that promise to enlarge or boost performance often come with dangerous side effects. According to Dr. Malik, many of these products are unregulated and can cause serious, even permanent damage. If you have concerns about size or performance, talk to a real doctor. Don't risk your health on false promises. Third, pay attention to what your body is telling you. Wearing very tight clothing can reduce circulation and cause irritation. More importantly, don't ignore warning signs like pain, discharge, or difficulty urinating. Dr. Malik stresses that these could be early symptoms of infections or other health problems. Getting checked early makes all the difference. So here's the bottom line. Respect your body. Avoid harmful habits. Don't fall for quick fixes. And if something feels wrong, seek medical advice right away. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on health and wellness.